Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to switch Clash Royale accounts on mobile. Switching accounts is simple if both are linked to Supercell ID. First of all, open your Clash Royale and then go to settings. To go to settings, click on the three-line option in the top right corner and then go to settings from there. After going to settings, tap Supercell ID and choose logout. Restart the game, then select login with Supercell ID. After that, enter your email for the other account and confirm using the verification code. For the verification code, open your Gmail and make sure you are logged into the account that you sent your Gmail. Then click on the three-line option. Go to primary or promotions or your spam folder if you don't find it in the main folder. Now after you receive it, always double check the account preview before confirming to avoid loading the wrong profile. Once confirmed, the new account load instantly, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.